Think all gold is the same? Think again.
24 carat was a pure gold, 99.9% gold. Brilliant, very soft and best for investment, not for daily wear.
22K, about 91.6% pure. The classic choice for jewelry, high purity but more durable than 24K.
18K, 75% gold. The sweet spot. Luxury look plus better strength. Used in fine pieces.
14K is 58.3% gold. More durable and affordable. Great for everyday jewelry.
10K, 41.7% gold, the hardest and cheapest commonly sold gold. Practical, long wearing.
In shorts. In short, 24K for investment, 22K for traditional jewelry, 18K for luxury design, 14 design.
Want a buying tip or how to read hallmarks? Comment below. I'll share quick tests and trusted checks.